Hi, I'm Rachel Allen and I'm delighted to have been involved in testing the recipes for the new Herbalife Nutrition member cookbook. It's been so exciting to taste all the different flavours from around the world. And I'm delighted to say that there are some of my recipes in there too. There'll be 80 different recipes that you can all try at home, from breakfast and lunch to main meals, snacks, shakes and sweet treats. 50 of the recipes have been inspired by Herbalife Nutrition members and the other 30 are by me. The recipes show just how versatile the Herbalife Nutrition products are as ingredients, giving you a really easy way to increase your uptake of protein and fibre too. Do experiment and try the recipes in the new Herbalife Nutrition Cookbook and enjoy them with your customers, your family and your friends.